Hello everybody, what's going on? Well, today I got some new fire alarms, and in case you did not see my most recent video, you probably don't know what they are yet. Well, in this video you're gonna find out. So of course, as you can tell, we have the same old Gentex Commander 3 in my bedroom. And then out here in the kitchen, we have an EST Integrity remote strobe right there, still in the same spot. We come out here on the back porch. We have another Gentex Commander 3, still there. Nothing different. But let's go to the basement and see if there is anything different down there, shall we? Alright, here we go. Open this door. SPSR? Nope, not quite. We got another EST Integrity remote strobe right here. Yep, I put an Integrity remote strobe back here. Yet again. Let's go further. Over here, we have a System Sensor Spectralert Classic P2475. It's 75 Candela. You probably can't see it, it's too blurry, but that is a 75 Candela strobe. Okay. Let's walk even further down. If we come back here, there's no more fire alarms right there. But over here we have yet another Spectralert Classic. However, this one is a P1224MC, so this one is a little bit different. It doesn't have the Candela underneath. Instead, it has it off to the side, because this one is a multi-Candela Spectralert Classic, which this is one of the alarms that I got today. Pretty much the same as the other one, just those major differences. Alright. And also this one has dip switches instead of the jumpers like the other one has. Alright, Scientrum. What's in the Scientrum? Boom, a System Sensor P2R, also known as a Spectralert Advance. Set on 15 Candela, because of course this one is also multi-Candela. So today what we're going to do is we're going to start off the fire alarm test in the Scientrum to make it more interesting, because I have not really done that much before in the past. So let's get this iPad set up, put it in a good spot, and hopefully you can see. Alright, I hope you can see pretty well. So we're gonna go ahead and start the fire alarm test right now, so you can see these new fire alarms going off. Here we go, folks. Alright, so those are the fire alarms. I hope you enjoy the new fire alarm setup, and be sure to have a great day, everybody, and we'll talk to you later.